In the poll update from Meghalaya, Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari had declared yesterday that voting unfolded peacefully across the state. The most recent figures show a robust overall voter participation rate of 69.91%. Notable turnouts include 70.26% in the Shillong constituency and 69.39% in Tura. Tiwari also assured that any infractions reported will be handled according to electoral protocols.
Inform you that elections for 18th Lok Sabha is being completed very peacefully and election has been conducted very smoothly. So till 5 p.m. whatever tentative report which is yet to be finalized, and there were a number of people still in queue. So the figure is 69.91% overall voting, in which Shillong PC having 70.26% polling and Tura having 69.31% altogether. So assembly segment wise report will be shared in the media group for your information. In each and every district, polling parties has reached safely and no incident anywhere, and all the elections happen in very peaceful and very festive manner. In respect to the machines are concerned, so during mock poll, there were few machines have been replaced. So total 26 number of BU, 32 number of CU and 64 number of VVPATs been replaced during the mock poll, and during the polling time the total replacement of BU is 21, CU 22 and VVPATs 55. So all together, including mock poll and polling, total 47 BUs, 54 CUs and 109 VVPAT got replaced, and all replacement happened well within time. So everywhere there is no law and order problem, no any other incident, and all the election held very peacefully. There was the webcasting in 1886 polling stations, so that has been monitored properly, entire polling process, and so far we have not received any violence or any such incident. So today's polling is gone very well, and we were yet to get the final figure when the presiding officer's diary and all the tally will be completed. So final figures will be communicated accordingly to all the media person subsequently.
State election officials have made the decision to file a first information report or FIR following allegations of poll secrecy violation involving a prominent leader associated with the pressure group. The president of the Nyotrap Achik National Movement HANM, Lamprang Kharbani, is under scrutiny for allegedly photographing an electronic voting machine or EVM inside a voting compartment. The image was later circulated on the WhatsApp group called Kajat Banreo Ngin Kersiu, with Kharbani claiming to have voted for the book or kakot, the election symbol of the NPP. BDR Tiwari confirmed that the election authorities have taken cognizance of the matter and are in the process of filing an FIR. When asked about the potential invalidation of such a vote, Tiwari stated that a comprehensive investigation is required before any definitive action can be taken.
Wherever any such violation in purview of the ECI's instruction, accordingly all the action will be ensured at the level of the district. in respect to if any reported case of MCC violation will come.
I mean, whether you will take cognizance of such, because the moment we uploaded news about the percentage of poll till 1 p.m. or 3 p.m., somebody will come and, oh, I have voted for so and so. I mean, will you take cognizance of such comments?
Commenting anything in the social media wherever it come in the purview of the MCC violation, accordingly action will be ensured.
Sir,
Because the social media is very wide platform. Yesterday also we had the press conference, we discussed, and there are some limitation in respect to the formal media channels and formal platforms, and then individual act out of the polling station, out of the purview of the election process. So each and every individual act, it is very difficult to monitor all the time. But anywhere, if there will be any violation case, cognizance will be taken and action will be accordingly.
But to